Welcome back to Pixel Arts. Today we will learn about selection tools. There are three stacks of selection tools. The first one is Marquee tools, Lasso tools, Quick selection tool and Magic wand tool. In this tutorial we will learn about Marquee tools. In this, the first one is rectangular Marquee tool. Its shortcut is M. Let us create a new document first. Ctrl N. With rectangular Marquee tool, you can select pixels in a document. Select the rectangular Marquee tool. To make a selection, just click on the document and drag your mouse button. Here, the pixels inside these marching lines are selected. Let us add a color to these pixels. Alt backspace. It applies the color only to the pixels which are selected right now. Or let me explain you in other way. I will take a brush tool and I will start painting inside this selection. As you can see, even if I move my mouse button outside this margin lines, the pixels outside the selection are not getting painted because these are not active now. I will undo this. When you make a selection, if you want to move the selection towards right, move your cursor inside the marching lines. You can see my cursor has changed to Move tool plus Marquee tool, which means you can move this selection. So just click and move the selection. One thing here is, once you release your mouse button, you can't resize this selection. So while making the selection, to move and resize it accordingly, the option is, while making the selection, remember, without leaving your mouse button, press and hold spacebar in your keyboard, move your selection, leave the spacebar. You can also resize the selection. Hold spacebar, move the selection, leave spacebar and resize the selection. To get a perfect square with the rectangular Marquee tool, hold Shift and drag across the document. When you hold Alt and make the selection, it will take the point where you clicked your mouse button as a center and will create a square. Now let us discuss about the options of Marquee tool. The first one is New Selection, which is selected by default, with which you can make a new selection. The next one is Add to Selection. With this option, you can add one more selection to the existing selection. Just click and drag across the selection. You can see few more pixels are added to our previous selection. The shortcut to add to selection is hold Shift in your keyboard and click and drag on the selection. The next option is Subtract from Selection. With this option, you can subtract few pixels from the selection. Click and drag on the selection. The shortcut to subtract from selection is hold Alt button in your keyboard and make a selection. You can see these pixels are subtracted from the earlier selection. You can see that when you selected Add to Selection option, there is a plus mark to the bottom right corner of my cursor. When you switch to subtract from selection, there is a minus mark to the bottom right corner of my cursor. The next option is intersect with selection. This option is used to select the intersection point of the selection. So click and drag across the selection. Once you leave your mouse button, it displays only the selection which is intersecting between the previous selection. The next one is elliptical mercury tool. With elliptical mercury tool, you can make circular and elliptical shape selections in your document. Just click and drag across your document to make the selection. Similar to the rectangular mercury tool, without leaving your mouse button, hold spacebar in your keyboard and move your selection. Leave your spacebar, resize it, hold spacebar and move the selection. You can also move the selection by moving your mouse button inside the selection and drag it, or use the arrow keys. While making the selection, If you hold shift and drag, it gives you a perfect circle. Similar to rectangular Mercury tool, when you hold Alt and make a selection, it takes the mouse click point as the center of the selection. Similar to rectangular Mercury tool, elliptical Mercury tool also has the same options: new selection, add to selection, subtract from selection, and intersect with selection. The feather option is also the same. The next option is anti-alias. When this option is checked, if you make a selection and add a color, just zoom in into the selection and you can see it gives smooth edges. But when anti-alias option is unchecked, make a selection and add a color. If you zoom in into the selection, you can see it gives sharp edges. The left side is the circle which we have drawn with anti-alias option checked, and the right side is the circle which we drew with anti-alias unchecked. There is one more option towards right: style, the same as rectangular Mercury tool: normal, fixed ratio and fixed size. The next option is single row Mercury tool and single column Mercury tool. These two tools are used to make a single line selection. Let us check it out. Select single row Mercury tool option and click on the document. It gives you thin line selection in the document. When you zoom in, you can see very thin line is created in the document. Add a color and check. A single line is created across the document. Now let us switch to single column Mercury tool. Click on the document and add a color. These can be used when you want to create any table or any lines in a document. We will learn about it once we start working with different documents. Now let us use Mercury tools on this flower background. Select the rectangular Mercury tool. Make a selection. You can also duplicate this selection. Click Ctrl J. Go to the layers panel. If you hide the background layer, you can see the duplicated selection. To get smooth edges, before making the selection, you can give feather value, or after making the selection, right click on it and give your feather value. Duplicate it. Similarly, with elliptical Mercury tool. Here I am using spacebar to move my selection across the document. Okay. Ctrl J. Add feather. Duplicate it. That's all with the Mercury tool. Thanks for watching, and in our next class we will discuss about lasso selection tool.